Foam rolling your hamstrings. Stop and hit me up if you have any numbness, tingling, weakness, or discomfort with this. Healthy muscles shouldn't hurt when you push on them. To roll well, you're going to want to go up and down parallel to the fibers of the muscles of the area that you're rolling on. Do remember that you never want to roll on any hard, bony prominences, such as your knees, your sit bones, or your hip bones. As we're going up and down across these fibers and warming up the muscle, it should start to feel safe to come across side to side to get a greater effect out of that. And if you would like to get even more out of it, you can add the opposite leg on top to get a little bit more weight. But please notice that my leg here and my heel are supporting me so that I can control how much weight goes on here and keep me feeling nice and safe, as well as that my shoulder is in a nice open, safe position, so this is actually doing some work for me. Remember that this is the fix, not the fun. You can find on this channel more videos about your hamstring, what it's meant to do, the actions that it's responsible for, and what you can do to get that thing even healthier. Do remember that foam rolling makes you stronger, faster, and more resistant to pain. So enjoy that.